A very good morning to everyone on my channel. I'm starting this video with these flowers of porcelain, which are perfect in the morning of summer. Today is 23rd May and this video was shot on 26th of April. Those are the saplings of apple gourd or Tinda. There you can see spinach or amaranthus in the tub with layers of soil, sand and some vermicompost. That's red amaranthus, spinach and the green amaranthus. It's cucumber, bitter gourd and some beans out there. All of my spinach, if you can see, is covered by the leaves of my apple gourd. There you go. For the start of the seed, it took on an average of 40 days. Like on 15th or 16th April, I've sowed the seeds. And then by 26th of April, I've shown you the saplings. Now this is 23rd May, so it's maybe some 40 days. There, this is one. Another one that is hiding there. If you can see that. Yes, it's a pretty big one, but it's not yet matured. There are many other small ones ready to come. In the back, there are the melons planted out there. This might be around some 4x4 space. Very small space, but the yield I didn't expect it. But it's pretty good vegetable to be grown in the summer. And I have planted few in my pots as well. I'll show you. And this was the tub we were talking about. I have harvested pretty well from these, and few of these amaranthus I've just plucked like that and put it on the ground. Whenever I need them, I pinch the outer leaves, and these now I'll leave it to bolt and I'll save the seeds for the next time. The cucumber which I have shown is also have grown, and that's Dolichus. It's a draft variety Dolichus. I have another one. See the draft variety Dolichus. But the main topic of this video is growing of apple gourd or Tinda. Everyone among us might have eaten these, especially who are living in India in their hostels, and they might have hated it. Even I hate it, but that's okay. Seeing it grow in front of my eyes and harvesting it on my own is altogether a different feeling, and that too in this hot summer. That's a good thing. Now I'll show you the one which is put in my pot. That's my 10.5-inch pot with a plate as well. The potting mix of it is coco peat, sand and vermicompost. I'm some vermiculture right in there so that I don't have to worry about rotating of the soil. And there you go. The little one is right here. You can see that. Then there is a big one there. Wheel has just started to come. So for even the people who stay in apartments and just have a boxed grill, they can start growing these even in the summers where you don't find any good plants to grow. If not anything, it's a good foliage. Greenery. The plant is a prolific vine and is grown as an annual. Now coming to the soil, it should have a well drainage fertile soil with pH between 6.5 to 7.5. Now do add some river sand to make it soil free draining, and add compost occasionally to enrich it. I have added compost twice, like in a span of 15 days or so, 15-20 days. It grows best in warm and sunny conditions. It likes 18 degrees or more during the night. Now the soil temperature needs to be 25 degrees for the seeds to germinate. Now when do I sow the seeds of it? It can be sown in dry season from February to end of April, and also in June to July during the rainy season. Make sure that there is proper spacing, like at least 30 centimeter spacing when you put your seeds, and train it to the trellis so that you can minimize the space utilization. Now this is the trellis. We have built it by ourselves. We have just put some sticks around. Yeah. And these are the nylon ropes which are easily available in every household. We generally use this for our clothes, drying our clothes. Since you are growing at a very small space, use your hands to rescue from the leaf miners. See there, you can just pinch it off, and do pinch some upper leaves. Make sure that sufficient sunlight is passing through in, so that the fruits or the vegetables that are growing, they grow efficiently. If the problems like flies, white flies or the fruit flies are out of control, use garlic spray or the neem spray. As you see here, just set sufficient amount of sunlight this fruit is receiving. Make sure that, and the leaf miner, just pluck it off. I usually spray neem oil and cover the fruits by polythene bags for seeds to preserve for the next season. When the fruit becomes overripe, color changes to yellowish white, pluck the fruit. A single fruit produces 30 to 50 seeds. Now if there is a lot less bee activity in your garden, do not worry. Simply you can do is sow some mustard seeds. Now these flowers do attract the bees a lot. These mustard seeds or rye are available in every Indian kitchen. You can even use the mustard leaves, mustard greens in your dal or salad. So, happy gardening! See you in the next video, and if you like the content, please like, share, subscribe and share the love. See ya.